students, how are you all doing? I am sure you all are in pink of health. Thank you so much students. Yesterday we received lovely, awesome comments. The students really like the idea of Hindi to English translation. There are many times my students, they wanted a trainer should teach sentences from Hindi to English. So Be The Perfect has come up with this notion. So students, today's session and tomorrow's session, I am going to teach you all general use of Hindi to English sentences. I am going to divide the course in two parts, okay? So make sure you follow these two parts very precisely. I am going to explain Hindi and then English sentences, and don't worry students, these sentences are quite advanced and different. Many times students, they get stuck while they translate from Hindi to English. So if you know the Hindi sentence, I am sure you all can make English sentences also, and these sentences, I am sure you all have spoken or heard these sentences. So from now onwards, it is going to be very easy for you to construct in English. So students, let's begin with the first sentence. The first sentence in Hindi goes like this. मैं तुम्हारी हालात समझती हूँ. I repeat myself. मैं तुम्हारी हालात समझती हूँ या समझता हूँ. English sentence. I empathize with you. Did you notice students, this sentence is so advanced. मैं तुम्हारी हालात समझती हूँ या समझता हूँ. I empathize with you. Many people will say I understand your situation, but see the advanced sentence, I empathize with you. Okay, next sentence, हमको एक दूसरे को समझना चाहिए. Again I repeat, हमको एक दूसरे को समझना चाहिए. English translation, we should have empathy on one another. I repeat myself, we should have empathy on one another. Next sentence students, बाहर नंगे पाँव मत जाओ, काफी धूप है और roads अच्छे नहीं हैं. So the English translation, don't go out barefooted. I repeat myself, the English translation, don't go out barefooted. Next sentence, कंबल ओढ़ लो, ठंड है, या कंबल ओढ़ लो. You can say take a blanket or cover yourself with a blanket as it's very cold. Okay students, now let's go to the next sentence. वो मुझ पर गुस्सा हो गया. I repeat, वो मुझ पर गुस्सा हो गया. He got angry with me. I repeat myself, he got angry with me. Next sentence, वो दुबई गया हुआ है. He has been to Dubai. Again, he has been to Dubai. Next sentence, उसको खुश करना बहुत मुश्किल है. Okay, उसको खुश करना बहुत मुश्किल है. He is hard to please. Don't you think students, this sentence we use for our seniors or for our boss? Jokes apart, please don't take it seriously. उसको खुश करना बहुत मुश्किल है. He is hard to please. Next sentence students, उसकी हालात बुरी है. He is in poor health. Again I repeat, उसकी हालात बुरी है या हालत हम कहते हैं basically, उसकी हालत बुरी है. He is in poor health. Next sentence, उसने मुझे 2 किताबें उधार दी. I repeat myself, उसने मुझे 2 किताबें उधार दी. He lent me 2 books. I repeat student, he lent me 2 books. So students, this was the part 1. So I am sure tomorrow you all will wait very enthusiastically for part 2, because it is again going to be very advanced. So students, as I just promised in Be The Perfect channel, every time we are going to come with different ideas, and I'm sure you all will become pro in English. Trust your trainer Payal. So students, again, if you have any queries, do let me know. Till then, thank you so much. Bye bye.